Most people don't realize that you can add custom fonts to Canva, and that one mistake makes their designs look generic. Give me a few minutes and I'll show you exactly how to add new custom fonts to Canva so your designs instantly stand out. Let's get started. For today's video, I'm going to teach you something new about fonts and creating projects. So imagine you're in Canva and you want to create a new video, social media post, presentation, book cover, or something else, and you need a new font for it. You've already looked all through all of Canva's font choices and you don't see anything that you want to use. What do you do now? First, let's choose a template. So imagine you've come over to text and you've added something, but you just can't find a font that you want to use. So you've come up here and you've looked and looked and looked and still haven't found one to use. Right now, I'm going to show you the solution. Online, you could go to lots of places to find your fonts, but I'm going to share with you my favorite place to find amazing fonts, and it's called Creative Fabrica. They have a whole section here for nothing but fonts. Loads and loads and loads of fonts. Over 254,000 fonts to be exact. And right now they do have an offer where you can try this site for free. For now, I'm going to look for a unique font for my next project. On Creative Fabrica, they've got these divided into groups, or you can come down here and do your search. So for example, I really like this one and want to use it. So I'll click on that, and since I'm already a member, I'm just going to download it. It also includes a commercial license so that I can use it anytime I want. Maybe I want another. How about this one? This is different. This might be really good, especially in my cartoons videos or a storybook. Let me download it too. So I've already downloaded those two fonts, but now if I go back to Canva, how exactly do I use those fonts? Because right now they're not inside here. So let me show you how you do it. If you look all the way down here at the bottom, you'll see something called Upload a Font. Right now you can see these fonts are zipped, so I'll need to unzip those first. I'm just going to come over here on my Mac and open them up by clicking on them. So I'll click here and upload the font. I'll click on the first one, so I'll pick one, open it, and now it's going to ask me to confirm. You just saw me download it from Creative Fabrica, where it granted me those rights as a member. So let's do the other one the same way. Go to Upload a Font, choose this one, and then Confirm and Upload. Now it's uploading the font. So if you want to see if they're actually in here, come down here towards this Uploaded Fonts area, and then you can see them. Okay, so let's duplicate this text a few times and then use the new fonts we just added to Canva. So now you can see how easy it is to add new fonts into Canva. And now you can change or edit the new font's color and more, just like Canva's original fonts, by clicking right up here. Okay, and now you know how to add new fonts into Canva. So I hope that helps you with your next project. Whether you're working on a video, social media post, document, flyer of some sort, or presentation. Canva is already loaded with lots of great fonts. But if you ever need something else, now you know how to upload new fonts into Canva. Plus, you also know one of the best places to find fonts online, and that's right here inside another favorite site of mine, Creative Fabrica.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.